Poppers, we don't have much time here. Everybody been executed. Everybody. Makima had a brutal execution.
Yes, to the head.
To the head, bro. Like, what the heck? We're on our way to Kyoto.
Right.
Who are these people from Kyoto? Has the gun devil got it into? The people. Right. I don't know. Who
He's coming after you, Denji. That's what's happening.
Yeah, he wants Denji's heart.
He does.
If you guys want to see the full reaction, go over there and check it out on the Patreon on KP. Without further ado, let's get started. It was really sad.
She never got her chance with Aki.
No, bro.
No.
She's fighting with everything that she got. She sacrificed herself.
She did.
That thing's scary. Look, and this girl, she's strong.
She is. She did not look fazed by this.
It's sad how she just went away.
Yeah.
And I'm confused because if he used that sword, they said like his life. Don't die on me, Yaki. You can cry for me. Swallow it whole, bro.
Like, who is
That thing
this?
was powerful, bro.
Leave. Wow.
That was badass. Damn.
Body's gone.
Who are you people?
After Denji.
Oh. That's the ghost hand. Oh, shit.
Oh, they thought. Oh.
The ghost hand brought Denji back.
No.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys are the bad guys.
I love bad guys, you know.
Ooh, dude, that's cool.
Denji's teeth are scary. Look how sharp they are.
Hell yeah. Aki's clocked out. Shit looks painful.
No, it turned red when she told that.
She said send reinforcements. Girl, you are the reinforcement.
Right.
Oh, he's giving him a good fight.
Yeah.
Come on, Denji.
Yeah.
Get his ass.
Oh.
Come on. Dodge that shit. Oh, dude, you lost a lot of blood. How are you still standing? Oh, shit.
No. Aim for the arms.
They said not aim for the heart.
This is a good fight.
This is a good fight. Come on, Denji.
No!
Block. He don't care.
Yeah, he probably doesn't.
Nah, he don't. Into ground beef. Sit your ass down.
Uh-oh.
Nah, he's charging up, bro.
No. Denji. Oh!
Bro's cut in half.
How?
Holy shit. Grabbed him by his fucking handle.
What? All of Chainsaw's people should be dead. No. Is he unmorphing?
Yeah, he is. They can't win against guns. I hope they're not dead.
Oh, okay. Aki escaped.
That's not Aki.
Oh, that's not. Oh.
That's a gun. That's a gun hunt. Gun devil. That's a devil hunter. Shit. Like, yeah, they're dead. Makima. I can't believe she's dead, bro.
Oh, no, she's
up.
not.
She's up. Like Denji or... I don't think she's a fiend. That's all you think about is wasting your time? Like, what the heck? Watch, she's gonna come out too.
Oh, emergency.
Look, Maki. What's that? Who's that? Is that Makima? Oh,
yeah.
y'all look shocked. The lunch meeting is canceled. This isn't mine.
I wasn't shot. Ooh, whoa!
Damn,
Look
she
at
did
those
that.
holes.
How the fuck did she do that? She's
I
something.
don't know.
She is something. That's why maybe she likes Genji a little bit.
Yes, right.
So where y'all going?
What the heck?
Why?
And reserve it. Yo, what is she planning here?
I don't know.
I was gonna say she's just walking around with all that blood.
Yeah, I know. That's Kyoto. Look how. Oh, these are convicts. Giving them snacks.
Yep. This isn't 30 guys though.
She took a shower. Got some clean clothes. Why are you looking at me like that? Tendo-chan. I'm so confused.
This is the stairs to that temple there.
Yeah.
Y'all know what this place is or something?
Are y'all about to be sacrificed or something? Yeah, imagine that.
Oh my gosh, imagine. Out of action for a bit. Why?
Yeah, he got beat the fuck up. Dude, what? Imagine like one of them accidentally pulled the chain. What's that supposed to mean?
I know, right? It's just a bird.
Yeah.
No.
変な感じってどういう
Whoa!
What the fuck? He just got fucking smashed.
Whoa!
Who did that? Verify Makima's body.
Makima's body. Yo, what? They know what she is.
Damn!
Whoa!
How's she doing that from here? Dude, imagine like she like connects the convicts. What is Makima?
And they're blindfolded. Oh my gosh, this is scary!
No, none of them are dead.
なんで俺たちも明確しようマキマさんは内閣官房長官直属のデビルハンター
Okay.
三島修造と言いなさい
What is that? What does that mean? Oh, he's next. Oh.
Oh no, that's him next.
Damn. That's a terrible way to die. Holy shit.
Oh man.
You're next, buddy.
Look, and the prisoner fell.
The prisoner, that's Denji.
No, the Flash.
Oh.
I think it is knocking them out.
No, I think it's killing them.
Or yeah, killing them.
He's next. How does she... Oh, shit.
How does she know their names?
I don't know. I was just gonna ask that. Bro, they scared of Makima. Holy fuck.
Whoa. Whoa.
It doesn't matter. You're still gonna die.
Yeah. Boom.
Terrible way to die.
Dang, that poor woman.
I swear. They just left Denji body. Oh no, they still there.
止まった
It's over. What is over?
Damn, she killed all of them.
外してよし
Are they gone?
ここで私ができることは終わりました東京に戻ります
Dang.
Whoa.
こんなデタラメな力は多分マキマのだ
Yeah, Makima got that power.
But they killed her. Nope.
So I guess she can't die.
Uh-oh.
What's about to happen?
I don't know. Oh!
Oh, it's her. Damn. Right in the neck. In the head too.
He blocked her.
He blocked it.
Oh my gosh. And she got away.
Run, girl. Y'all look scared.
You too. What are you gonna do, girl? No.
Holy crap.
No.
Oh, she's
Oh,
good.
whoa!
Hell yeah, girl. I didn't think she had that in her. Oh!
Yes, get him!
Pull Denji. Pull Denji.
What? And a gun? Woo.
She used Denji as a
As
shield.
a shield, yeah.
Dang. I didn't think she had that in her, guys.
Me neither at all.
Yeah, shoot.
Get her. Get her.
Get her ass. Oh, she almost got her.
Get the wheels or something.
She's out.
Oh, man.
Dang, she had that in her whole
Right.
time. No wonder they brought her. Oh, I thought she was laughing. She is
Wait,
laughing.
I think she is.
She's
going
laughing.
crazy.
Laugh crying shit. That's some psycho shit right there. That's like I went crazy.
Oh.
Damn.
Oh, she's good.
She's good. That's a terrible way to die though. Yeah. He died a terrible way too. You can't blame yourself. Yeah,
It is.
it really is. Some shit's been going down.
Mm-hmm.
They're back in Tokyo.
まどかくん生きててよかった
Maruka.
得意化はどれくらい生きてる
特異1課2課3課4課ともに銃撃に遭い
Okay,
人外以外
Just about everybody is dead except for the non-human.
得意化だけを狙った銃での襲撃銃の悪魔が関わっているだろうね
Yeah.
Definitely.
特異1課2課3課は4課と合併、以降公安大麻特異4課を牧間さんの指揮
Will be under your command, Makima.
Oh.
She got a promotion.
あとこれを
What's that?
何
僕の辞表です
Oh.
Oh, he's quitting.
特異化がきな臭くなってきました辞めるか殺されるかの2択ですよ
Quitting or getting killed. Okay, well.
最後に教えてください牧間さんは今回の事態をどこまで想定していました
Oh.
Pretty much all of it.
部事情を教えられないな
With
With
private
private
citizens.
citizens.
まどかくん
Dang.
Yo, so you think Makima knew this was going to be happening?
Maybe she had a suspicion. I don't know.
マキマさん、俺たち得意科に入るわけやないですからね。
指導に来ただけですからね。
They're like, I don't want to do this.
Right.
残念
That's a shame.
東京は美味しいお店がたくさんあるのに
She said, that's a shame. Guys, hey, this episode was some crazy shit. We figured her out. Makima is alive. So, okay, I don't know if she is like a devil. I don't think so. I think she has a contract with a devil, but I don't know what. Maybe her eyes.
I think it has something to do with her eyes, but
Yeah.
what I don't understand is Power has weird eyes the way she does too. Like they're
Yeah.
the only ones who do not have like human eyes.
Maybe she's a fiend or
Yeah, because you were like, oh, she can't be. Maybe she
is.
Or like was and is under control now or so. I don't know. But her power in Kyoto was insane.
Yeah, that's some
I just
crazy
wonder
shit.
why she didn't know the names of the two main people.
Yeah.
The sword guy and then that girl who also had like the powers. I
Yeah,
don't know.
it's weird because I would have took out them two. Maybe they're too strong or something. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe she can't sense them or
But
something.
in order to do that power that she has to take a life. So that's why she asked for the convict, which is kind of fucked up. But
I mean, she did say the worst of the worst.
Yeah.
So I mean, I guess, but
that's
like,
true. That is true. All right, guys, we're going to hop right into the next episode.
Yeah.
If you guys want to see the full reaction, go over there and check it out on the Patreon. And make sure you leave this video a like and hit that subscribe button if you want to become a popper. Let's get started.
魂は
Who's that? Oh, that's Aki. Denji.
Benji?
You're good? And Power.
What?
They're sitting there with Denji. I mean, Aki, bro. That's so nice. And they're reading manga.
おいウヌそのリンゴよこせ食わせろ
ダメだ全部俺んだ
Girl, there's a whole
I know.
basket.
逃げたんじゃないお腹が空いたから帰っ
So no apples for you.
て嘘つきはウヌじゃ
She's so crazy.
Scaredy fried chicken. She is crazy.
4かは誰が生き残れる
He's talking.
小紅でチビとメガネの男も生き残って
Yeah, act right.
俺とパワーコは
Yeah, she got the
マキマ
apple.
さんに言われてるから帰るぜ
She was gonna get that apple.
お前の果物を食いに来ただけじゃ
Howie.
リンゴ1個だけ残しといて
Leave him an apple.
だな
Yeah.
He takes the whole basket.
Oh. Dude, he's not in the right headspace right now.
No, I feel bad for him.
Me too. Dude, he just loses everybody. He lost his whole family, his brother.
カス俺はあと何年生きれる
How much time do I have left?
Oh.
Oh,
2 years.
No way. You only got 2 years to
2
live?
years.
Dude, we gotta figure out how to break that. Might as well smoke, huh? Bro, that's so cinematic. What the fuck? Look, he about to have a flashback. She got him to smoke.
No, this is sad.
He about to cry. Is he gonna quit? Yeah, he's getting
he's
emotional.
crying.
Oh, they waited. Oh,
Oh,
we're taking it too good.
らしいしバディの姫野も死んだわけだしなあれ
What?
what?
俺は全然泣けねえんだけど
What?
ポチタが死んだ時は悲しかったなでも姫野死んでも初めて友達になろうってくれた人なのに
Whoever wanted to be my friend? Yeah.
He just
泣けねえかな
doesn't know about his emotions.
I doubt it. What if he died?
マキマさんが死んだら
Would you cry then?
マキマさんが死んだら多分俺はしばらくへこむけど3日後には楽しく毎日を過ごせてる
Denji don't know how to be like a human.
No.
心臓だけじゃなく人の心も
What's that feeling?
まあシリアスなことは考えなくていいか楽しくねえこと考えても楽しくねえだけだからなさっさとマキマさんに会いに行こ
Oh, they're here.
うどうもあれ泣いてた
いいかいうちら出てく
なんだ
Yeah.
私たちマキマさんに頼まれて京都から
Who are
得意
you?
音楽を指導に来ました
そのリンゴ食べていいですか
To coach Special Division 4.
指導
Everybody taking this man's food.
I swear.
テル次元と今回のでデンジ君が敵勢力に狙われていることが分かっただから4課を強化しようと思ったんだけど
Oh, she wants to strengthen it because
Yeah.
of that. Okay.
残念だけど私は忙しくなっちゃうから適任を紹介するね
Too busy doing what?
She gotta run a business.
She's such a mystery.
What the hell is this?
I know, right?
前も
黙れ
Shut it.
Shut it.
仲間が死んでどう思うか
別に
死んだと思った
敵に復讐したいか
I thought they died.
わしも
お前たちは
俺を面倒見てくれる方
勝ってる方
They're horrible.
I swear they are.
お前たち
Oh,
100点だ
Get full points.
素晴らしい
that is fantastic.
Because they're heartless. He needs somebody that's heartless.
今すぐこいつらは指導だ
じゃああとはよろしく
Alright, we're gonna get some training
俺は得意一家でデビルハンターをやってる
from Special Division.
好きなのは酒と女と悪魔を殺す
Booze, women, and killing devils.
Did he just break their fucking back? Oh, he's strong.
Oh my!
Oh shit, he's choking the shit out of him. Why did he just do that? He just killed them. That's a terrible way to die. That's fucked up.
お前たちの筋肉と骨の仕組みは俺たちと
Bro, they're like two peas in a pod.
血の匂いじゃ
Blood.
Yeah, it heals them. Look.
And they're good. Okay. I see the point.
なんでさっきわしらを締めた？
俺は人間を鍛えたことはあるが、
They need to be able to fight better.
アルコールにやられたのでついにひらめいた。
To choke them to death.
倒せるようになるね。俺はお前たちを借り。
He'll be hunting the two of you.
も
His brain is diseased.
う酔ったじじいでも殺し
If power says that, there's something wrong with
Right.
you. Oh, okay. We're working together here. Bro. Oh, shit. He's about to beat their ass. That was fast.
That was fast.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh!
Right in the fucking head, bro.
Oh no, he's so good.
She didn't realize she'd been cut.
No.
Got her neck. Oh, that's a terrible way to die.
二人に真剣はない。俺はガキの頃から力が強くて、
See, Makima has to be immortal, bro.
俺がお前たちを
Was
最
it
高
alpha?
に生かした奴らにしてやる。
Give them some blood for they die. Well, Denji can't die.
ほら
They cleaned
出
up.
てけえへんやろ。君は狐を無茶に使って嫌われた。もう二度と狐は使わせてもらえへんやろうね。
Probably won't help you out ever again.
指導ってのは
Yes.
そういうことか。
お察しが良くて助かる。
He only got 2 years left.
得意課にいる人間組のキャリア相談に来ました。
Job consultation.
Well, tell him how to get more years on his life.
実際君の課の人が一人民間にいたし、
続けるなら続けるで。
What
like what?
sacrifices?
やめへんならもっと強い悪魔と契約して
Kakubo.
得意課に貢献してもらわなあかんみたいです。
公安やめて残りの人生楽しむか。
バディを殺したやつもまだ生きてる。
Yeah, so he can't die.
なんでやめれるんですか？
Yeah, he's not gonna quit.
じゃあ今日はもう遅いんで帰りますわ。明日また来て書類とか持ってきます。
Be back with paperwork.
得意課にはまともなやつはいい品から気をつけろ。
Yeah, for real, they all are crazy.
女性のお客さん来てますよ。
A
Who?
lady here.
Who?
Who's this lady? Who is this?
I have no idea.
I'm so scared. Who is this? Why his eyes?
Yeah. Who the hell
Who
is
is
that?
it? Who is it?
Don't do us like that.
寝るから帰る。
Who?
明日家に向か
I don't know.
They stayed out late.
Dude, they got their ass beat. Look. Denji's out, bro. All right, time to sleep outside. What the hell? Why are you moaning like
Right,
that?
like what's happening?
What the hell? What the fuck, Power? He needs blood. Yeah, look, the psycho.
Well, I guess
Oh,
it worked.
Yeah, it worked. He healed.
2回以上
How many times did I die today?
ルヌが死んだ時大体わしも気絶してる。
She was just trying to bring him back to life.
あのじじい
They
強
gotta
すぎ
walk
じゃん
home.
I love these two though.
Yeah.
楽しくなくて頑張るのはクソだ。
一緒に逃げるか？
Shall we flee?
俺たちは悪魔扱いじゃね？
For real devil treatment.
あんなアルチ
What the hell?
Why are we stopped?
I don't know.
ジンおもちゃ扱いしやがってよ。だんだんマジでムカついてきたぜ。
Oh, Denji he hit a nerve.
わしらは頭を使って戦えばいいんじゃ。
なるほどな。
I'm sure that thing's empty.
頭脳であいつをぶっ殺すか。
Yeah.
なんか俺すげえ頭良くなってきた気がするぜ。
Look, they're putting their
I'm
heads
feeling
together.
smarter already.
Hey, but this is gonna help them get better though.
Yeah.
That's what they need, you
They
know?
do need to start using their brain.
Yeah.
Because they don't.
No.
この血の匂いは来たな。あれ
Did they even make it home?
俺たちの日常を壊すやつは。
Power,
She
you
wearing
got-
glasses?
Yeah, I know, right? What are y'all doing?
Yeah, what
超
is
イン
happening?
テリ作戦開始じゃ。
You think he's gonna come prepared? Oh, he dressed like Makima. Whoa.
What? Dude!
He
How
dodged
did
that
he
shit.
dodge that?
待ち伏せしやがって。今度は俺が狩られる側でわけだ。
It's an ambush. Oh, she's controlling the blood out there.
Whoa.
Whoa. Okay, Power.
Wait, that was kind of cool.
Yeah. She's using her brain for real. Oh, he's
But
good.
he's too good.
Denji.
Come on!
Damn.
Oh no.
He kicked him
oh,
before
no.
he swung. Bro, those
There
glasses
goes the
don't make you smart.
glasses.
Look, sit your ass down.
今までで一番良かったぞ。
Y'all been defeated.
このは頭を使うもんだな。もっと頭を使え。
Keep at it. Well,
Mm-hmm.
it was a nice try.
Yeah, it was.
パワーは今の戦い方だと血を使いすぎて本体が貧。
Using too much blood to fight.
今回は良かったからもう終わりだ。俺は飲みに行く。
He's
Okay,
like,
so that's
that's
it for
it.
the day.
Yeah. That was some good training.
She's happy. Oh!
Damn! Right in the fucking. That's fucked up.
信用するな。
Got him.
Terrible way to die, bro. What is this?
契約してもらうっちゅうことは
What's
Oh,
that?
elevator.
Oh, it's them.
俺たちはアキ君をいじめたくてそんなことをするんじゃありませんよ
To mess with him?
身を守る武器は必要やろ
Okay, what weapon?
I don't know.
What is this place?
ぶち込んで
So run down.
ここで武器を見つけましょう
Captures the library kept. Oh, wow.
Is he about to make a contract, you think?
Maybe.
彼女さんですか
すぐそういう話やめな
Yeah, who was that lady? I
Oh my
forgot.
gosh, the lady from the hospital.
Yeah.
あらら
She
じ
was
ゃあ
my,
殴られました
Oh.
from my partner's younger sister. What? Wait. Wait, what did he just say? They some freaks, bro.
Right. There's a lot of letters.
I swear.
Oh my gosh, what if these are.
あなたが読むべきなの
Wait.
Letter my sister sent to me. It's probably like love letters.
Yeah, imagine like confessional letters.
What does it say?
The job pays pretty well, so don't worry about sending food or anything. Dad's been messaging me lately. I appreciate his concern, but I'm more worried about him. Is he taking his meds? Letters about their dad.
Oh, her dad is sick.
I forced Aki to get his ear pierced. If nothing else, we could go private instead of staying in public safety. How do I get Aki to quit? I brought it up, but he just
Oh.
brushed it off.
She wanted him to quit.
I don't think it's a good idea to keep working here. If nothing else, we should go private instead of staying in public. Oh, wait, he just brushed it off. I was trying to be serious, too.
Whoa. Why is he
この部
walking
屋に
like
いる
that?
悪魔とイルンは未来の悪魔
What devil was in that room?
でこいつと契約している人
It's the future devil?
Oh, maybe.
一人は寿命半分もう一人は両目と味覚
Whoa!
なんでこいつと契約している人は
Two people in public safety have contracts with it, and then one had to give up half of their lifespan.
Shit.
じゃあ
We'll go right on. Dude, that is scary though, low-key. Where's it at? And they just open the door?
And he's going in.
Ain't nobody in there.
And they have to close it? That's... I don't like this.
Yeah. What if it decides to, like, kill him?
That side eye.
Yeah. Whoa. Dude, that's creepy. Is that an eye?
I think so. It looks like it.
Why is it looking like that? And that's the end of the episode.
No.
That was good. That was good. Well, that was episode 10.
That was episode 10. So those letters that Himeno's sister wanted him to read. So like Himeno wanted him to quit. I feel like she wanted him to quit to protect him.
Yeah.
But she wanted to quit too.
But I feel like she wanted to quit to make more money probably. So she can like get the money to pay for her doctor, her dad's treatment.
Her dad's meds. Oh
Yeah.
yeah, that's why he was mentioned.
Yeah. And like she didn't want to leave without him.
Right.
That's what it was.
Yeah.
You know? So now the reason why her sister showed him is because they still need help. You know what I'm saying? And because I don't know how he felt about her, like emotionally.
Right.
But I feel like because he's the type of person he is, he's gonna help.
Take care of her
so
family.
That's my theory.
Yeah, that
So,
makes sense.
Yeah. Let's see how this meeting with the future devil goes. We're gonna find out in the next episode. If you guys want to see the full reaction, go over there and check it out on the Patreon. We will see you in the next one. Peace.